We'll just be doing some basic sentence structure because, yeah, I feel as though I need to review it. Stepping like this so I can see the stream. That there, and alright, cool. Alright. So we'll just start off with some very basic questions. And just some very basic stuff. Alright. Kore wa bon desu. Revision. I'll just do the kanji. And then this, kore, means this. In this case, the wa here is just used to mean is. One. But des just makes it a sentence. If we wanted to make this plain form, something you would say to your friend, you would get rid of des and you would just put on and then da. But that's plain form. Alright, cool. Sore wa Shin-san no oops Shin-san no kaban desu. Alright, so we don't have any kanji in this sentence because I don't know the kanji for some of these things. Alright, sore is just like, it's like that thing, but it's like near you. Yeah. This wa is just used, in this case, it's used as is. Shin-san, it's a name. So Shin, or Mr. Shin. No, in this case, the no here is used for possession. Kaban means bag. Des is just the end of the sentence. Again, if we want to make this plain form, we go here, kaban, we just put da. And then that's it. That just looks bad. Are wa yama desu. Alright, I'll do the kanji. Kanji. Always use kanji when you can. Yama. So, again, this one's a very simple sentence. It's like over there. Are is like over there, like in the distance, or it can mean like in the distance, or it can mean something that's just not near you. Like, let's say two people are talking and someone's pointing across the road and they're saying, oh, over there is a shop. That's when you would use it there. But this is just is, yama, mountain, and then des is, if we want to make this plain form, what we do is we just put da. These are real basic, these ones. What am I doing? Watashi no鉛筆はこれです。What we'll do here is I'll do 2 sentences, and then if you ever find a sentence really confusing, just take it apart 1 sentence at a time. That's what I found helps me. Anata no. Also, calling people anata is very rude in Japan. If you don't know their name, it makes sense, but it's very rude to call them, so don't say anata wa a lot, unless you really don't know their name. Anata no. And what am I doing? Pizza. Pizza. Wa sore desu. Alright. Again, if you're always having trouble understanding a sentence, just take it apart word for word. That's what I do. It might work for you, it might not. Everyone learns differently. So the kanji. Watashi. There's no more kanji. So watashi just means me. In this case here, the no. This one means we're talking about possession, so it becomes, instead of me, it becomes my. Enpitsu is pencil. Wa, this, in this case, we're talking about is. Kore is here. And that's the end of sentence 1. Anata, so it means you. No, in this case, this one is possession. So you becomes your. Maybe if you could actually see what we're looking at, might make sense. You becomes your enpitsu. Enpitsu is pencil. Wa, in this case, it means is. Sore means like over there. I'm running out of ink. Oops. And des is just ending the sentence. So altogether, this means my pencil is here. Is here. And then full stop. Your is over there. Just sorry about that, my phone's going mental. Alright, cool. Alright, we might do something We'll still do some basic sentence structure like this because, yeah, no matter how good you get, you should always review what you've done. Alright, cool. What we'll do is ano hito wa dare desu ka? Then the kanji, so that pen's gone. Hito. So ano, over there. Over there. Hito, person, so it becomes that person over there. Wa is dare, so dare is who. Desu ka, it's just question mark. If we wanted to make this plain form, what we do is we get rid of desu ka and then we just put question mark, because you can do that with plain form. If you have a test or something, ask your teacher whether they'll let you write in plain form, because mine said it's good to learn and we learned it, but they said never to use it in a test. I don't know why, but that's what they said. Alright, we'll do another one. Also, like, I said anata. I said anata is like rude. If you know the name and that means you. But if you say kimi, I've been told that's a no good as well, because apparently kimi is used for people that are like intimate or close with each other. So just try to call people by their names. Alright. Anata no sensei, anata no sensei. Dare desu ka? So I'll do the kanji. Sensei. Anata is your or you, but with the no here, it means possession. I can't spell. And when you have anata with no, it becomes you becomes your. Sensei, teacher. Wa is dare, who. And then desu, that really should be desu ka. And this one is just who is your teacher. I don't have a pen that works. I had 3 pens and none of them work. Who is your teacher? you could say Tanaka-san wa no desu. So I'll just explain this. I'll do the kanji first, and then I'll explain what the no here is for. So ta naka, that's the kanji. Alright. So the no here is because previously we were asking who your teacher is. This no here just means literally this. What we're doing earlier. That's the sensei. It's really helpful, but it's also a pain if you're reading a long paragraph and they have multiple ones of these. But it's super helpful because you can just do sentences like that. Yeah. So this one's Tanaka-san is, and then the no here is just referring to sensei, because this one is just like knowledge that was already mentioned. So Tanaka is my sensei. Alright, I'll get this page. Kono hon wa dare no hon desu. So the kanji hon kono is this. Hon, book. Dare, what is dare is whose. No indicating possession. On this. So whose book? Hang on, someone just sent me a message. Just gonna check that quickly. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm gonna end things here because my phone is